Nice. Hey guys, today is a special day. Today's a full moon, aka fish moon. So I'm out here looking for some stripers. It's currently 12 o'clock. It's about peak time, high tide. So I'm going to be fishing the outgoing tide. Let's see what we could get. Let's get it. Hopefully I could catch a striper, man. I've been here for at least 2 hours, not a single bite. Hopefully this changes right now. I just saw a whole bunch of swirls on the surface of the water. I'm gonna be casting it that way. Got one, guys. Fish on. Nice. Finally got one, man. Okay. Nice one, guys. Beautiful fish. There it goes. Healthy. You know what that means? That's full moon, fish moon. Another nice one, guys. Okay, let's let it go. I'm gonna try to get that right in front of me, man. Got one. Fish on, guys. Yeah, they're all over right here. They're all over here. Alright, not bad, man. It's a nice fish. Wow, I want to take a picture with this guy. He's pretty big. Alright guys, I'm gonna let this guy go. There it goes. Alright,